Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today it is the importance of urea. So the compound urea is basically having the formula as NH2 whole twice CO that we can also write it as CO, and it is having two attached ammonia group that as NH2 and NH2. So this is a simple formula of the urea. When we have a look on the physical properties of the urea, it is basically a white crystalline solid. On the other hand, it contains the carbon, so it is called as an organic compound as well. And all of its importance, it contains 46.6% of the nitrogen. So that's why it is also called as the nitrogenous compound. Now, what are the basic importance of the urea? Let's have a look on it. First one, it is used in the agriculture sector. This is the first importance of the urea. Now, urea is basically used as the fertilizer as well as it is also used as the animal feed. On the other hand, almost about 90% of the urea is used as the fertilizer. So it is the main source of the fertilizer. Now, why it is used as 90%? Because it contains almost highest percentage of the nitrogen. On the other hand, it is a nitrogenous fertilizer. And the next step or the next main property of the urea is this: it is harmless and it is useful for all the types of the crops and all the types of the soils as well. So this is the main importance of the urea as an fertilizer. On the other hand, it is also harmless as well as it is non-toxic, and it is basically stored safely. So this is the main importance of the urea in the agriculture sector. After this, we have its second use. It is used as a raw material for the manufacturing of the many important compounds. So by using the urea, we can prepare a lot of compounds. And now, what are these compounds? Urea basically it can reacts with the water. As a result of the reaction with the water, it produces the nitrogen as a basic compound. On the other hand, the decomposition of the urea as NH2CO, NH2, it produces and decomposes again the production of the ammonia. So it can be used as raw material for the production of the many important compounds. On the other hand, its third property is it is used in the formation of the explosives. So here in this picture we have the mixture of the urea with the nitrite that is used in the production of the explosives. So this is also the best use of the urea. It can be used as a explosive or its manufacturing. The fourth use of the urea is this: it is used in the automobiles system. Now, why it is used in the automobile system? Basically, all the automobiles that are producing nitrogenous compound as NOx and they are adding up into the air, and these this is the basically exhaust gas. As a result of the automobile's engine ignite the different compounds or the different petroleum products, it produces nitrogenous compound. But on the other hand, when we use the urea in the automobiles, in turn this urea reduces the production of the nitrogenous compound, that is NOx gases in the air, and in this way the exhaust gases are free from that type of compounds. Now the fifth one is it is the highest percentage nitrogenous compound. Basically, its formula we have NH2 whole twice CO. This compound is having highest percentage of the nitrogen in it. Because of this reason, it is used as a fertilizer. And the percentage of nitrogen that it contains, it is almost 46.6% of the nitrogen that is present in the urea. For the manufacturing of the urea, basically there are about 6 units of the urea formation in the Pakistan, and these 6 units having the four major types. The number one company, which is called as the FFC or the Fuji Fertilizers company. This is the first one or the main source. The second one we have the agrochemicals. Then we have the Fuji fertilizers. We have the Bin Qasim, and we have Daud Hercules. So these are the major companies that are going to produce the urea, and they are almost marketing the highest percentage, from which the main is the biggest fertilizer manufacturing is the Fuji fertilizers FF, that are producing 59% of the urea and marketed, and they have shares in the market. So this was the simple overview about the importance or the uses of the urea. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the natural fertilizers and its types. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.